Danny Wong 食咗Canyon Water之後冇一個禮拜今日佢行得咗啦，冇 improvement OK 我冇行咁遠啦，行翻轉頭嚟行翻轉頭嚟我俾我個 upline Danny 呢個把 Danny hey this video for you it's proven that Wong can walk again with a very fastest time 睇到冇嗱睇到冇睇到clear 冇嗱你睇佢面嚟到我前面啦你翻入屋企啦夠啦 thank you for
OK 好
thank you for your demonstration OK 翻好啦好休息OK 多謝 OK all the best快啲好OK OK thank you
好。